Most employees want the flexibility to work from home, the office, or anywhere. This places pressure on your IT teams to achieve a zero-trust security model, while maintaining collaboration, connection, compliance, productivity, and ensuring employee experience isn't negatively impacted. At Core, we enable smart working so your business can operate on the model and systems that work best for you. Our modern workplace workshops are collaborative and immersive, where our experts will help to identify your business objectives and recommend the best Microsoft technology to achieve your desired outcomes. Designed for business and IT leaders, our workshops can help you efficiently realise opportunities in your organisation, with a prioritised list of business scenarios, provide a roadmap outlining potential work streams and dependencies, and create a roadmap for deployment and adoption for your business. You may even be eligible for funding to cover the cost. Want to get started? Email us today or fill out a form online to find out more.